Hello friends, in this video lecture we will see chapter number 4 definite integration and some problems asked on that chapter in March 2022 question paper. One problem out of which is question number 10. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 4 sec power 4x dx. हा प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला 2 मार्क्ससाठी विचारला होता. त्याचं सोल्युशन कशा पद्धतीने लिहायचं ते आपण पटकन बघूया. Let me write solution for this problem. फक्त 2 मार्कांना प्रॉब्लेम असल्यामुळे फारसा वेळ न घालवता हा प्रॉब्लेम क्विकली सॉल्व्ह करायचा आहे. सो कोणताही प्रॉब्लेम दिलेला असेल त्याची सुरुवात होते. सो लेट व्हॉट इज द गिवन. सो 0 to pi by 4 the integral that we have given to calculate sec power 4x into dx. So we know one most famous property that sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So we will definitely use this property to evaluate this one. So this integral now can be written as integral 0 to pi by 4 sec power to x into sec square x into dx. So I have just splitted the function of power 4 into a function of power 2 into a function of power 2. So there is no new thing to doing so. Now substitute or we can use also rather than the substitution. Let me just write. So we know that if sec square theta is given to you 1 plus tan square theta, then this can be written as integral 0 to pi by 4 1 plus tan square x in place of sec square x into sec square x into dx. Now we will use standard substitution like substitute tan x is equal to t. Tan x is equal to t. For this tan we will put t. So if we differentiate tan x with respect to x, we will get sec square x into dx, and that will be dt. Okay. So in place of sec square x dx, we may put dt. In place of tan x, we will put t. So we will see limits, how limits are to be changing. So if or whenever x is equal to 0, we get t equal to 0. That means in place of this x, in the tan x is equal to t, we'll get we put x is equal to 0, we'll get t is equal to 0, and whenever x is equal to pi by 4, we get t is equal to, that is tan pi by 4, that means 1. Okay, so limit are 0 to pi by 4, now changing to 0 to 1. So your integral I, that is we have just mentioned earlier, 0 to 1. So integral 0 to pi by 4 becomes 0 to 1, and that is in bracket 1 plus t square, because in place of tan x we are using t, in place of sec square x dx we are using dt. So this will be uh, integral of 1 is t plus integral of t square is t cubed by 3, and we are using the limits from 0 to 1. So use upper limit and the lower limit, that is the fundamental theorem of integral calculus. So it will be 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 0 minus 0 by 3. So this will be only 4 by 3. So you have asked to find out the value of integral, which is nothing but integral 0 to pi by 4 sec power x 4x into dx, and the value is now 4 by 3. I hope you understood the solution. Please watch it out. Now we will solve next problem. Next problem will be question number 34, I think. So we will write question number 34. This problem is asked for 4 marks, and this is also a problem which is in a question paper of 2022, March 2020. So we will solve this question in a very easy way. Just I hope you will enjoy this solution. Please watch this for a solution. So what we have asked for, show that integral 0 to pi by 4 1 log of 1 plus tan x into dx is equal to pi by 8 into log 2. So we will consider the LHS and then the rest. So consider the LHS, and that is nothing but integral 0 to pi by 4. What is the integrand? Log of 1 plus tan x dx. We know one most famous property of definite integral, that the property I am writing here, integral 0 to a f of x dx can be written as integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That means in place of x in the given integral, you will write a minus x. So here a is nothing but pi by 4. So in place of x, we will use pi by 4 minus x. Okay. So LHS will now become LHS equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 into log of 1 plus tan, in place of x we will use pi by 4 minus x, and we also know that tan of pi by 4 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So using that argument also we can write, but we have the fundamental property of definite integral, that is integral 0 to a f of x dx can be written as integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now this integral will be become 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan of a minus b. Okay, so this is just like tan of a minus b, and we know that tan of a minus b can be written as tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So this is the fundamental formula, and using this formula we can write this as uh, tan of pi by 4 minus tan of x, that is tan a tan b, sorry, tan a minus tan b, and in the denominator 1 plus it is tan a tan b means tan pi by 4 into tan x into dx. So using this argument, and we also know that integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus in a bracket tan of pi by 4 means 1. So 1 minus tan of x divided by 1 plus 1 into tan x, that is only tan x, which is well understood, hence I have not mentioning 1 in the both place. Now this can be written as integral 0 to pi by 4 log of, so if we take LCM of this thing, this 2 will get in the denominator 1 plus tan x, in the numerator 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x. So this will be cancelled into dx. Now we have this is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 upon 1 plus tan x dx. And we know one most famous property of log of a upon b means log of a minus log of b. So using this fact, this will be 0 to pi by 4 integral 0 to pi by 4. This is log of 2 minus log of 1 plus tan x dx. Is it right? So this is just the bracket. I hope you all are understood this well. So this is the separate integrals log 2 dx minus integral 0 to pi by 4 1 plus tan x, sorry, log of tan x 1 plus tan x into dx. And we know that what we know that we have just mentioned LHS equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 dx minus, actually this thing is also LHS because we have just considered LHS to be integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x into dx. So this is LHS. If I take this minus LHS to the into the LHS, that will be LHS plus LHS equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 dx. I hope you will understood this. So 2 times LHS, 2 times LHS equal to integral 0 to pi by 4. This is log 2 dx. Okay. Now we will take log 2 to the common, sorry, outside the integration, as log 2 is constant and this will be 0 to pi by 4 1 dx. And we know that integral 1 dx, that is x. This will be log of 2 into x, that is 0 to pi by 4, limit, upper limit and lower limit is mentioned here. Now this will be pi by 4 log. So in the LHS itself we have 2 times LHS, 2 times LHS. So 2 times LHS equal to this. Therefore LHS equal to 1 upon 2 into pi by 4 log 2. Okay. Now we will multiply this throughout. We get pi by 8 into log of 2. So LHS is equal to this. And clearly by observing the given question, what is RHS? RHS is simply also pi by 8 into log 2. So let me just write is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. So 4 मार्कांसाठी विचारलेला हा प्रॉब्लेम जरासा लेंदी जरी वाटत असला तर पण खूप साध्या आणि सोप्या भाषेमध्ये मी व्हिडिओमध्ये मांडलेला आहे. आय होप तुम्हा सर्वांना हा व्हिडिओ आवडेल आणि तुम्ही नक्की बघा आणि काय जर अडचणी असतील किंवा काय तुमच्या कमेंट असतील तर कमेंट करा. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.